Welcome to Technoland Expart. The phrase warmest thoughts and joyful wishes to you and your family is a sincere and compassionate expression designed to convey heartfelt kindness, emotional warmth, and positive intentions, as warmest thoughts suggest genuine care, closeness, and mindful consideration for the recipient's well-being, implying that they are being remembered with affection and goodwill, while joyful wishes communicates hope for happiness, cheer, and uplifting experiences, emphasizing positivity and emotional fulfillment. And by including you and your family, the message expands its scope beyond the individual to acknowledge loved ones and shared bonds, recognizing the importance of family connections, support, and togetherness. And overall, the expression serves as a gracious and inclusive sentiment suitable for celebratory occasions, holidays, or meaningful moments, offering encouragement, comfort, and a sense of connection that reflects empathy, generosity, and a genuine desire for peace, happiness, and harmony in the lives of those receiving the message.
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I